So in Notion, if you were to go ahead and share workspaces with your team members, then all of them may have certain level of access. If you want to go ahead and change the level of access they have, then you can actually go around onto your profile and then go around over here onto settings. So once you do that, under people, you can actually see the workspace members right here that I have actually shared the workspaces with. And all of them are workspace owner as a role, as you can see right here. But I can go around over here and simply go ahead and change them out into member only so that they cannot actually make certain changes. But you do have to have a plus, that is have an upgraded account to change it out into member. Or you can simply go ahead and remove them off of the workspace as well. Let's say, for example, I want to remove this person off of the workspace so that they don't have any access, then you can remove them from the workspace right here, just like this as well, if you want. So you can go ahead and choose a reason and then click on continue and remove out the member right there, just like that as well. And you can see that it is updating, and now the other person no longer has access to the workspace. So now over here, you can see that if you have one or more team spaces, then there are certain team spaces that the members can access as well. In my case, I have the default one right now, which has been created by default when you actually create the workspace and add the members. So you can go ahead and only see this. So this is what you have, and you can add in members to specific workspaces that you have as well, or team space as you might want to know it. So that is how you can go ahead and work around by changing around the access level of workspace for each team member, and even removing the team member as you need inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.